Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic thing, that how we can photo lab your. So you are seeing nowadays that everybody is making the photo lab and editing. So you have to install this app Photo Lab. I will give the link in the description as well. So guys, how you can make like this picture. So I am going to tell you about this. First of all, you are seeing here the multiple type of photo lab is coming. This is very common one that is using everywhere. So guys, you do not need to select this one. You can take the lion one, tiger one, and you can take the picture. Okay guys, then you have, if you want to rotate, you can rotate this. If you want to move in this way, you can move. Okay, and if you want to zoom in, zoom out, so you can do by here. You have to click on green icon, then it will take some time, then it will make. Now you can see that your picture is ready now. Okay guys, if you want to type a text, if you want to add art and effect, so you can add the art and effect as well. Okay guys, and the further thing as well you can do easily. So guys, this is very amazing to use. And if you want to add in this way, you can add in this way as well. Okay, so we have selected the effect as well. And if you want to save this, so guys, if you want to save here, so you can save by the three dot as well, save to device. And if you want to share to your friends, so you can share by here as well. Okay, and if you want to copy, so you can copy, two brackets is coming here. So this is very amazing to use. And guys, if you want to use the further as well, so you can use this one as well. So this is very good. This is the ice falling is going on, and you can see this one as well. This is very affected. You can see this one, background effect, if you want to use. So this is very good. You can see here feed as well. You can add the picture as well here. You can take a picture, then you have to move here. So this is very amazing app. I love it. Process is going on. It's not a hard and fast tool to do this. You can see this. So this picture is ready. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.